Ever tried to dive into the world of crypto, stocks, or even precious metals online, only to hit a roadblock asking for your personal information? It's a common hurdle, and if you've been eyeing Uphold as your go-to platform, you've likely wondered, does Uphold require KYC? That's the question we're tackling today. In this digital age, where financial transactions are increasingly happening online, understanding the security measures and regulations platforms like Uphold adhere to is crucial. You want to know your money and your data are safe, right? Well, KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a set of procedures financial institutions and other regulated companies use to verify the identity of their clients. Think of it as the digital equivalent of showing your ID when you open a bank account. It's a way for these platforms to prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. So, back to Uphold. Is KYC part of their process? The short answer is a resounding yes. Uphold, like many reputable financial service providers, is legally obligated to implement KYC procedures. This isn't just an arbitrary hoop they make you jump through, it's a fundamental aspect of maintaining a secure and compliant platform for all its users. When you sign up for Uphold, you'll likely be prompted to provide certain personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, residential address, and potentially your social security number or a government-issued identification document like a passport or driver's license. You might also be asked to upload a photo of your ID for verification purposes. Now, you might be thinking, why do they need all this information? It boils down to regulatory compliance. Financial regulators around the world mandate KYC to ensure that platforms like Uphold can identify their users and monitor transactions for any suspicious activity. This helps create a safer environment for everyone involved. While the process of providing personal information might feel a bit intrusive, it's important to understand the benefits. KYC helps protect the integrity of the financial system and ultimately safeguards your own assets on the platform. It ensures that Uphold can track transactions and identify any potential red flags, preventing bad actors from using the platform for illegal purposes. The specific KYC requirements can sometimes vary depending on your location and the types of services you intend to use on Uphold. For basic account functionalities, the initial verification might be relatively straightforward. However, for higher transaction limits or access to more advanced features, you might be required to provide additional documentation. Uphold typically employs secure methods for collecting and storing your personal information, adhering to data privacy regulations to protect your sensitive data. They use encryption and other security measures to ensure that your information is kept confidential. So, if you're planning to use Uphold, be prepared to go through the KYC process. It's a standard practice and a necessary step to ensure the platform remains secure and compliant. While it might take a little time to complete the verification, it's a crucial part of participating in the modern financial landscape. Embrace it as a sign that Uphold is committed to security and regulatory standards. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.